Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Linguise, which is a AI translation app for your website. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. So if we can see here, by their main title, it says translate your website into over 85 languages with unlimited instant translations. So in order to use the translation application, you'll have to set up an account. So you can click here to get a 1-month free trial with no credit card needed. Okay, so you just need to register here and they'll provide you with a free 1-month trial. And if we check here, the Linguise application works with these platforms. So all the main ones such as WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace, and Webflow, along with 40 other ones here. So if we click into that, so we can see all the possible integrations. But in this video, we'll be doing the integration with WordPress. Okay, so I'll be translating this lawyer website here. Okay, so we have a lot of pages here that we can test it out on, along with a blog here with blog posts. Okay, so once you have an account set up, it should look like this, and then you'll have your API key. So we'll need to install the plugin first. So you can do it manually here, or we can use the WordPress directory. So we're going to do that. So go into dashboard and then go here into plugins and add new. And let's search Linguise. Okay, and click install. Okay, and activate the plugin. Okay, so next, if we see on the sidebar here, we can click into Linguise and that'll pull out the application. Okay, so now we'll need our API key. So we can go back to our dashboard and copy that. Okay, and then paste it here and apply. Okay, and then this will activate the plugin, and then you have access to AI translations. Okay, and then over here is your original language. So in our case, it's English. And over here is the languages which you like to offer. Okay, so you can add more over here. Okay, so we'll just add Hebrew as well. Okay, and then over here, we can add the language switcher automatically. So we'll keep that enabled just so it automatically integrates, so you don't have to do it manually. Okay, and then over here, what we can do is choose the way you want it to appear. So we can do side by side. So it looks like this. So it's a drop down and then a pop-up. So I like the pop-up here. It looks more user-friendly. Okay, and then you can choose where you want it to be. So let's just do top right. Okay, and then you can choose if you want to include the flag. So include the flag, the language name, and then say the short name. Since it's a pop-up, you can do the full language name. Okay, then down here, you can have additional settings. So you can change the colors, the flag sizing, as well as all the colors. Okay, so we'll just keep it as is for now, but you can edit it here. So if you check over here, I think this looks good. Okay, next we'll go into advanced over here. And then we can see here about cache, so using cache. So if you need to clear cache, you can do that over here. Okay, so we'll just stick with the basic translation. And again, they have a custom CSS field here as well if you want to do any custom styling. Okay, so I think this is good. And then if we go here into help, okay, so they have the short code here. So if you need to add this into a template, then you can do that through here, as well as with custom PHP over here. Okay, so let's just check out our website first, and then we can add it to the main menu. So go back into our website here. Okay, and then we see it over here on the top right. So we click that, and then we have our translations. So let's click French. Awesome. So it's translating all of our content here. So it's doing that automatically. As well as over here, if you check out the domain, it also gives it a unique domain. So this helps with SEO, as it provides a unique page to be indexed. So this will help you rank in search engines for different languages. So this will result in a positive ROI in using this plugin. Okay, so I'm just going to move it to the bottom right, as I think that'll look better for user experience. Okay, so let's just go back into the plugin. So go to dashboard and then come here into Linguise. Okay, and over here in the main settings, what we can do is bottom right, and then save that. And then now let's check the website. Okay, yeah, so this looks better. And then we can check out the blog post here as well. And then we can translate that into French again. And awesome, so this is working here as well, even with the contact form over here. Okay, so next I'm going to go into the dashboard and show you how to do custom translations. So go here into the dashboard. And then you can edit all the translations over here. So we can filter by language. So let's say French. Okay, so we can look over here. And then if you want to edit one of the translations, you can do that here. So this is the original and this is their translations. But if you want it to be a different translation, then you can just edit it here. Okay, and then we can cancel this. Okay, so next we're going to look at their live editor here. So click live editor. Okay, so this allows you to make translations directly on your website. So let's go into French and translate. Okay, over here, and then it's a nice UI. It allows you to click on each element. So if I click on this one, and I can change it to test translate using live editor. Okay, and save this. Okay, awesome. So this works. Okay, and then lastly, I'm just going to look over their settings here. So again, make sure you have your API key here, and then they have a video demonstration here, and then make sure you include your URL that you're installing the Linguise plugin on, or else the integration will not work. Okay, and then choose the correct platform, as well as your base language. Okay, and then these are your languages here. So make sure you have the same languages available on your platform and the Linguise plugin. Okay, and then you can choose whether you want to translate the URLs, translate dynamic content, and allow partial translations. Okay, but I just kept this by default, so I would recommend the same as well. So click save. Okay, and then lastly, let's just look over their pricing. So if we see over here, so after the free trial, you'll have to subscribe to one of their plans. So on the monthly plan, it starts at $15 a month. So that's for 200,000 words and unlimited languages and views. So I like that all the plans here have unlimited languages and page views. So it doesn't really limit you by plan. It's just the translated words that's different for each plan. But if you'll be using this as for a long-term website, then I would recommend the yearly pricing, as you'll save more in the long term. So if we see over here for the start plan, per year it's $165. So if you were to do this on the monthly plan, then per year that would be $180 US. So you're already saving an additional month of subscription. After testing the Linguise plugin on our test website here, we can see that it works flawlessly in translating your website to different languages. And again, this will help with SEO and user experience, as you're able to serve different demographics. So Linguise offers free installation when you sign up, as we see over here. So if you're having trouble with installing the plugin or have any questions, then you can request a free installation here, and they'll do it for free of charge. So that's something you can take advantage of when you sign up for an account with Linguise. So if you click here, request a free installation, then you'll just have to fill in this form and your website URL and the platform which you'd like to install Linguise on, along with a message of what you're looking for help with. Then their support team will get back to you with when they'll be able to help. And again, this installation is free, as they outlined over here. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to learn more about the Linguise application and how it can help your website. Again, you can sign up for a free 1-month trial on their website over here. And if you're looking for help with your website, then you can contact me at mapletmedia.ca. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest videos, and thanks for watching.